From strange-looking sharks that live 5,000 feet below surface level, to weird fish that have luminous bellies, we take a look at 10 creepy sea creatures you never knew existed. Number 10. Frilled shark. These types of sharks live in deep parts of the sea, around 5,000 feet below to be precise. Due to this, humans have rarely seen any of these deep sea creatures. One of these was found in 2007 in Japan, when it was swimming in shallow waters. It was captured and was transferred to the Marine Life Park. However, the shark died shortly after being caught. These types of sharks are typically no longer than 5.5 feet and are believed to have existed since the time of the dinosaurs, hence the name living fossils. They are usually found somewhere between the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Number 9. Vampire squid. Known for swimming in the pitch-black darkness as deep as 10,000 feet below sea level, the vampire squid has eyes larger than any other animal on the planet. The vampire squid gets its name from the wide-spanning tentacles that can cover itself like a cloak. The creature is known to wander about the tropical oceans of the world. It has made use of the surroundings to adapt itself to live under very low amounts of oxygen. The defense mechanisms of this particular animal are fascinating. Upon discovery, the squid covers itself with its black underside and quickly goes out of sight. Number 8. Pacific viper fish. Although they live to be only a few inches long, the Pacific viper fish are extremely deadly creatures that lurk about the seas as low as 13,000 feet. The viper fish have luminous bellies, thereby making it easier to lure the prey towards them. They usually stay in deep waters during the day, but have been known to be spotted in shallow waters during the night. The viperfish do not live well when captive, so research has not yet been carried out on their behavior. Number 7. Giant spider crab. As one of the largest arthropod species, the giant spider crab usually lurks at the ocean floor in Japan, which is no deeper than some 1,000 feet. They are extremely rare and have been known to span over 12 feet in length, but the average length of them is around 5 to 6 feet. There have been spottings of this animal around Sagami Bay in Japan. Number 6. Dumbo octopus. One of the weirdest and cutest octopuses around, the Dumbo octopus can live at about 7,000 feet below sea level. It has rarely been caught swimming in shallow waters, but it has been sighted in deep sea levels in 1999 and 2009. The octopus gains its name from the giant flaps on both sides, similar to those from a famous Disney film. The octopus makes use of jet propulsion for movement, and it feeds on snails and copepods living around the area. Its head is a bell-shaped and tentacles similar to those of big winter boots. The Dumbo octopus may have over 35 different species, many of which are undiscovered. Number 5. Fangtooth fish. The fangtooth fish reaches depths as low as 7,000 feet and can sometimes be found as low as 17,000 feet in some cases. The fangtooth fish has the largest proportionate teeth to the size of any animal on the planet, and although it may seem scary in the picture, are actually harmless to humans. The fangtooth fish can reach just 5 to 6 inches, so there is not much harm it can do, since it prefers to travel alone rather than in groups like the piranha. Number 4. Giant tube worms. Giant tube worms can thrive over 2.4 kilometers below sea level under huge pressure, freezing temperature, and no sunlight. They are also able to live under hydrothermal vents. The tube worms are rarely seen by people, since they never come out into the shallow waters, and that deep, the pressure is too great for any human. The tube worms are known to live somewhere on the east coast of the Galapagos Islands. Number 3. Dragonfish. Although the dragonfish start their lives in shallow water due to their eggs being able to float on the surface, they usually live several thousand meters below the sea, nearly 2 kilometers in some cases. The dragonfish over time develops the property of producing their own luminosity, known as bioluminescence. This happens in many parts of the fish's body, one of which is the barbel under the jaw, which it mainly uses to attract prey. Number 2. Six-grilled sharks. Six-grilled sharks are known to swim around the seas of Vancouver. They usually swim along the ocean floor during the day, feeding on squids, seals, and other small marine life. even smaller sharks, and come out during the night to shallow waters. The six-grilled shark are also known to withstand immense pressure and freezing temperatures at 25,000 meters below sea level. Not to mention, it can grow up to 16 feet in length. Number 1. The chimera fish. Chimera fish are known to live in mixed places, some around 80,000 feet below sea level, others just near the surface. They are closest to sharks in a family tree and are extremely rare among marine life. And they are another great example of the living fossils. If you enjoyed the video, why not subscribe? We upload new videos every week.